Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about sharing rules. So, what is sharing rules in the Salesforce security? Let's start. So, basically it is the another way to share the record with the users. Right? So, sharing rules in Salesforce are access control mechanism that allow user to see, edit or delete records beyond the OWD settings. Right? So when we use sharing rule, when two users want to share their records, if they will not fall in the hierarchy. In this situation, sharing rules come in picture, right? Through sharing rules, we can share records to a group of users. It can be a public group, roles and subordinates. What is the public group? I will discuss in my further videos and how we can create the public group also. Right? So let me show you second point first. Just open this, type here roles, click here. So here you can see this is our role hierarchy and these are the users. They are not connected in the role hierarchy, they are separately. So if these users want to share their records with each other, so they can share by creating the sharing rules, right? Or if our role hierarchy is not activate, means it is not checked, let me show you that option also. Sharing setting here, just click here. You can see this is the role hierarchy option, grant access using hierarchies, right? If this is not checked, means this object is not falling in the role hierarchy, right? So if they want to share their records, so they can share by creating our sharing rules, right? Now come back to our slide. So they can get access of those records they don't own or can't see manually. Right. Sharing rules can be based on who own the record, means ownership based sharing rules. And another one is based on value of fields in the record, means criteria based sharing rules. Okay. So if we have OWD setting as a public read only or the private, then only we will be able to create a sharing rules for that object. Right. Let me show you one more time. See, if I'm talking about this object, so this is private, so I can create sharing rule for this object. This is public read write, I cannot create a sharing rule for this object, right? So we can create sharing rule only for if WD setting as a public read only or private, right? So when we can assign either read only or read write access in the sharing rule, right? If it is already OWD setting is public read write, so there is no need to create the sharing rules, or we are not able to create the sharing rule for that particular object, right? Sharing rules can never be strict than your OWD setting. They simply allow greater access for the users. They cannot snatch or get back the control, right? Get back the access. So simply they can allow greater access to the user, right? So come to our org, come here. Before doing this, let me show you my application. So just open, click on app launcher, click here. This is my application, my college. So I'm going to create sharing rule on writer object. So I would like to show you. So these much records available in this object, right? Created by this person, this user. Now if I want to show you user, just click here, user, login. I have this active user, so click here. This is only one record it has, right? because the OWD setting is private, so this user will not be able to see the record of another user, right? How we can share these records? By creating the sharing rules, right? So just log out. Right now come to our sharing setting, right? Okay, let me show you one more thing before doing this, so it will be better to understand more clearly. Just write here role. So I would like to show you. See here, I have an active user CEO and manager. So this CEO want to share his record with this manager, right? So how he can share his record with this manager? By creating the sharing rule, because our role hierarchy is not active, not checked, and these are not fall in the role hierarchy as per the accessment, right? So come to our sharing setting. This is our sharing setting, right? I'm going to apply here. This is not checked, private, so I can create sharing rules for this object. So just let me cancel. Okay, scroll down again. I would like to show you, come on the sharing setting, just scroll down, and here you can see all objects are available where we can create our sharing rules. Means who has public read only access or private access, only those objects are available here. So scroll down, come to our object, that is the writer. So this is our writer object. Click on new. So we are going to create a sharing rule, right? So sharing rule for writer. Okay, just if you want to give any description, you can give. Here you can see rule type. So we can create a rule, sharing rule, two types, right? First is based on record owner, as I have told you, and another is based on criteria. If you want to put any criteria, so you can put any criteria here, right? But now I'm going to demonstrate by based on record owner, right? So owned by member of means who want to share. So public group, roles and subordinates, right? But I want to share by using roles. So select role here. My role is CEO want to share his record with, share with which role? Manager role, right? So just click here manager, and here the accessibility access label. So you can select read only access or read write access, right? For now I am selecting only read only access, right? Not read write. Just click on save. Okay, so here our sharing rule has been created, right? So these person can share their record with each other, right? CEO shared his record with manager, right? So here if you want to make any addition here, so you can edit this rule from here, right? So now come check to our application. Okay, come to our setup, open our application one more time. This is my application, right? Click on writer. So these are created by this user. Now I'm going to check with this user. So earlier I have shown you this user will not be able to see the record of another user, but we have created the sharing rule. So now this time this user can see the records of another user also, right? So here you can say this is created by this user and these two records are of another user, right? So in this way our sharing rule works, to share the record with the users, right? So that's all about the sharing rules. Thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification about the new videos. Thank you for watching.